Hello there. Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your one-stop channel for all things lifestyle and career-oriented. Here, we're all about empowering you with the right knowledge to make informed decisions. From career choices, lifestyle tweaks, to personal development, we've got you covered. We believe that the right information can transform lives, and that's what we strive to provide you with. So, buckle up as we journey into the fascinating world of barbering. Today we delve into the realm of barbering and discuss the top 10 things you need to know before becoming a barber. First off, let's understand where barbering comes from. You might be surprised to learn that barbering is one of the oldest professions in the world, dating back to ancient civilizations. In ancient Egypt, for instance, barbers held a respected place in society, keeping pharaohs and nobles well-groomed. Fast forward to the Middle Ages in Europe, and barbers were not just cutting hair but also performing surgeries, earning them the title barber surgeons. It wasn't until the 19th century that the roles split, with barbers focusing solely on grooming. The 20th century, particularly post-World War II, saw a boom in barbering with the popularity of short, clean-cut hairstyles. Today, barbering is seen as an art form, with barbers using their creativity to craft personalized looks for their clients. Understanding the history of barbering gives us a sense of the profession's rich heritage and importance. Next, let's look at the role of a barber. A barber is someone who, at the core, cuts, styles, and grooms hair. However, the role goes beyond just these basic tasks. A barber shapes and redefines personal styles, helping individuals express their personality and confidence through their appearance. Moreover, a barber must also possess knowledge of various hair types and face shapes to provide the most flattering cuts and styles. They also offer services like shaving, beard trimming, and facial treatments. Barbers are also expected to provide advice on hair care and grooming products. They often serve as trusted confidants, offering a listening ear and engaging in friendly chatter, creating a comfortable and welcoming environment for their clients. In essence, a barber is a combination of an artist and a trusted advisor, shaping not just hair, but also influencing personal styles and boosting self-esteem. A barber is not just a hair cutter, but an artist and a trusted confidant. Thirdly, we'll examine the skills required to become a barber. At the heart of this craft, precision is key. Every snip, every shave, every trim must be executed with meticulous accuracy. But it's not just about technical prowess. Creativity is equally crucial. As a barber, you are an artist, sculpting unique styles that express the individuality of your clients. Interpersonal skills also play a vital role. The barber's chair is more than just a seat. It's a place of trust and conversation. Building rapport with clients can turn a one-time visitor into a loyal customer. And let's not forget about business acumen. Many barbers dream of owning their own shop someday. Understanding the basics of business management, from marketing to customer service, can help turn that dream into a reality. In conclusion, barbering is more than just cutting hair. It's a multifaceted profession that requires a broad range of skills. Barbering is a skillful art that requires a unique set of abilities. Now, let's talk about the training and education needed to become a barber. If you're serious about mastering the craft of barbering, you can't bypass proper training. It's the bedrock, the single most important step to becoming a skilled barber. You can start with an apprenticeship, where you'll learn the ropes under a seasoned barber. Here you'll get a hands-on experience learning the ins and outs of the trade. Then there are barbering schools. These institutions offer comprehensive programs that go beyond just cutting hair. They teach you about different hair and skin types, the latest trends, and even business management skills. It's important to remember that barbering is a lifelong learning process. Even after your formal education, you'll need to keep up with the latest techniques and trends. It's a journey where your education and training lay the foundation for a successful barbering career. And remember, every great barber started with a pair of scissors and a dream. Education and training lay the foundation for a successful barbering career. Up next, we'll discuss the tools of the trade. Every great artist needs their tools, and barbers are no exception. The first and most essential tool in a barber's kit is the scissors. These aren't your run-of-the-mill household scissors. They're specifically designed for precision haircutting, and they come in various types to cater to different hair textures and styles. Then we have the razor, a barber's best friend for achieving that crisp, clean-shaven look. A good razor can be the difference between a satisfactory shave and a stellar one. Combs are another indispensable tool. From detangling to styling, a comb is a barber's constant companion. They come in all shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific purpose. Finally, we have the clippers, the heavy-duty tool for tackling bulk hair and creating intricate designs. Clippers are versatile and can be used for various hair types and lengths. Knowing your tools is key to mastering the art of barbering. Let's move on to the health and safety regulations in barbering. Yes, it's not all about scissors and razors. A significant part of being a barber is ensuring that your workspace is clean, safe, and hygienic. So, what does this mean? Firstly, it's about maintaining cleanliness. This includes sterilizing your tools, cleaning your work area regularly, and ensuring that towels and other materials are freshly laundered. Secondly, it's about adhering to safety regulations. This might involve using protective equipment like gloves, ensuring all electrical equipment is safe to use, and being aware of potential hazards in your workspace. Finally, it's about maintaining a hygienic environment. This means disposing of waste correctly, ensuring that your hands and your client's hair are clean before you start work, and taking steps to prevent the spread of any infections. Remember, a barber shop is a place where people come to feel better about themselves. Adherence to health and safety regulations ensures a safe and comfortable environment for both the barber and the client. Now, let's delve into the business side of barbering. It's not just about the snip, snip, and shave, there's more to it. Running a successful barber shop involves mastering shop management, customer service, and marketing. Shop management includes everything from maintaining the cleanliness of your shop to managing your inventory. You'll need to keep track of your supplies and ensure that your tools are always in tip-top shape. Customer service is another crucial element. Your clients are more than just heads of hair, they're people with individual needs and expectations. Building relationships with your clients and understanding their preferences will set you apart. And then there's marketing. In this digital age, it's not enough to just hang a barber pole outside your shop. You need to have a strong online presence, engage with your customers on social media, and constantly find innovative ways to attract new clients. A successful barber is also a savvy business person. Let's take a look at the challenges and rewards of being a barber. As with any rewarding journey, the path to becoming a barber isn't without its hurdles. One of the potential challenges is the long hours. It's not uncommon for barbers to spend the majority of their day on their feet, which can lead to physical strain. Another challenge is the constant need for skill improvement. Trends change, new styles emerge, and a good barber must always stay on top of these shifts. However, the rewards of the profession make the challenges worth it. There's a unique satisfaction that comes from transforming someone's look and boosting their confidence. It's an art form that gives you the opportunity to express your creativity while making a tangible difference in people's lives. Plus, there's the camaraderie that comes from interacting with various customers, each with their own stories to share. Like any profession, barbering comes with its own set of challenges and rewards. Finally, it's time to wrap up our discussion on becoming a barber. We've traveled a long way, from the rich history of barbering to the intricate roles and responsibilities of a modern-day barber. It's a profession that requires not just technical skills, but also a deep understanding of people and their needs. We talked about the importance of acquiring the right training and education. It's not just about knowing how to handle scissors and razors, but also understanding the science behind hair and skin. And let's not forget the tools of the trade. They are a barber's best friends, and knowing how to use them effectively is crucial. We also touched on the indispensable health and safety regulations, a domain where there is no room for error. And then we delved into the business aspect, a critical component if you're considering running your own barbershop. It's not just about perfecting the craft, but also knowing how to run a successful business. We ended with the challenges and rewards, a reality check of sorts. It's not always a smooth ride, and the road to becoming a barber can be filled with obstacles. But remember, the rewards are equally fulfilling, from the satisfaction of transforming someone's look to the joy of building lasting relationships with clients. That's it for today's video on the top 10 things you need to know before becoming a barber. Remember to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insightful videos. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing,